If you manage a website on Bluehost, learning how to create and manage user accounts in cPanel can save you a lot of time and make your hosting setup much easier to organize. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step, from opening cPanel to adding a new user and managing their access later on. This is especially useful if you want to give someone access to email, FTP, or web disk without sharing your main login details. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account using your normal credentials. Once you're inside the Bluehost dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Hosting. This is where Bluehost keeps your hosting plans and account tools. After that, select the hosting plan that you want to work with. If you have more than one plan, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't make changes to the wrong site. Next, find the cPanel option and click it to open your cPanel dashboard. cPanel is where you'll manage a lot of the technical settings for your hosting account, including files, domains, emails, and user access. Once cPanel opens, scroll down until you find the Preferences section. Inside that section, click User Manager. This is the tool we'll use to create and manage user accounts. Now you should be on the User Manager page. To add a new account, click Add User. A form will appear where you can enter the user's details. Start by typing the user's full name. This helps keep the account organized and makes it easier to identify later. Then enter the username. This will usually be the login name the user will use to access the services you assign. After that, enter the user's contact email address. This is important because it can be used for notifications, password recovery, and account communication. Then create a strong password for the user. Use a password that is secure and not easy to guess. If there's a password generator available, that's usually the safest choice. Once the basic account information is filled out, choose which services you want the user to access. Depending on your cPanel version and hosting setup, you may see options like email, FTP, and web disk. If you only want the person to manage email, then give them email access only. If they need to upload files to the server, FTP may be the right choice. And if they need browser-based file access, web disk can be useful as well. The key here is to give only the permissions the user actually needs. After selecting the appropriate services, click Create or Create User. cPanel will now add the new account to the system. Once the process is complete, the new user should appear in the User Manager list. At this point, you can confirm that the account was created successfully and review the services assigned to it. Now let's talk about managing an existing user. If you need to update or edit a user later, go back to User Manager and find the account in the list. You may need to scroll or search depending on how many users you have. Once you locate the user, you'll see options to modify their account settings. From here, you can change the user's password if they need a reset, update their contact information, or adjust the services they're allowed to use. This is really helpful if someone changes roles, no longer needs access to certain tools, or just needs a fresh password. If a user only needs partial access, you can remove unnecessary services to keep your hosting account more secure and easier to manage. And that's the basic process for creating and managing user accounts using the User Manager feature in cPanel through Bluehost. It's a simple but powerful way to control access without exposing your main hosting credentials. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.